Hello, Nanny Janny here. I don't know about you, but I can't find anything about making a mould for the blacksmith. Like when you want to make something like a hammerhead and you haven't got the mould, you can make a mould out of iron and then you put an old hammerhead or a broken one into the mould and it lets you make 3 new ones and then the mould disappears. Well, I've seen that you can make it, but I haven't seen anything about how to. So I thought I'd make a video. Let's see. Get the page. Number 16 in the book. Whoops. Put it in, and this is what the mould's going to look like. So, we get that. These are what we get from the cauldron that I just did. Bang in the nail, using the buckles that we got from the cauldron. Another one, put it on the side, get them in nicely, hold the hammer a bit closer, and then we'll be going down to the blacksmith workshop and I'll show you how to put the head in. Because like I said, there just wasn't anything to be found anywhere. Another bit of what happened to all my buckles? Oh, there it is. And that's it. Now what else? Another piece of metal? Nope. Let's have a look. No, it's another buckle. I have to go and get another buckle. I thought I had enough out of that cauldron. Where did you all go? Here we are. Here's one I made earlier. There. Ready. Now we're going to go down to the blacksmith's workshop and put the hammerhead in. Okay. Oh, the sun's coming up good. I don't need to get a torch out. And we're on the way. Here's where I planted those lovely tree seeds that I got earlier. They're coming along nicely. It'll be where I don't even have to go and get any trees soon. Come on. I think this is... oh, maybe I better eat because I'm getting a bit slow. No? Go away, chicken. Leave me alone. They're so nasty, these chickens, you know. Mind you, if we keep eating them, you can understand why they're a bit annoyed with us. Oh, come on. You can catch me up when I have to run slow, because this is pretty heavy. Another one on the stairs there. I bet that one's going to get me. Go away. So here we are at the blacksmith's workshop. Oh, now it's going to let me run. And this is the press. Oh, went straight through it then. So we put this in the press. Put you over there. Turn it round. Put it in. Now it's in the press. Now what was getting me was how to make the tool, how to get the tool head. And all you do is you put it up there. See it sticking? Yeah. And then you have to be a bit tall. Oh, oh, I can't reach it. Oh my God. Come on, got it. Pull it down. Is it done? There we are. And we got the tool head press done. So now it's telling me I can make 3 of these. So what I did earlier, I already did them. I made a gold one and 2 iron ones. Made the gold one for the leather and 2 iron ones for any other crafting I want to do. Well, I hope you found that interesting, because like I said, it was a bit difficult for me to work it all out. Anyway, I'll speak to you again another day. Bye!